Okay, so now we're in Workbench per se, and we've got Burger Time, which is like a remake of the arcade. So let's have a go. And then let's get the audio set up. Okay. So we've got some sound. Now, why am I getting sound in music? Okay, that's strange. Sure, there's something I'm doing. See? Alright, it's just equally, it's not. Oh, gotta get a pepper in. Alright. Sounds good. Got it. Okay. Yes. Got a few. Got him too. Alright, you gotta play with the arcade machine. Some pepper. And then okay, good. Eggman. Oh, no sausages. Some more pepper. Ah, error there. Oh, it's taking forever to finish this stage. You're getting more follow you, which is the aim of it usually. Let's go right down the bottom. So, down to the last. So go this way. Oh no! Joystick mishap. I went too close to the fire. Okay. So there's music there, so it must be something weird going on here. Any music? No. Right, I've left myself a bit open to attack here. I've got those two, let's get out of there. I've got peppers to lose, so now I'll get that. Destroy them this way. Oh, double trouble. Well, the colours are amazing. I mean, this is like this is just Amiga original chipset colours. It's only a 16 colour game, but it just really looks great. And that was a royal flush there. It's too slow. It's way too slow. How many chefs have I got left? Uh-oh, we're flickering. Oh. I wasted. Oh no! Was that 2 peppers and nothing? I just game over. Ken sent me. No way. Thanks.